What it do? It's your girl Drew. And wait, you just came back to my channel? You want to do me a favor? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Just real quick. Just, you got time. Hit that subscribe button. You know what I'm saying? So since you came to my channel, you know what I'm saying? Today is Sunday. That means I should have went to church. I really should have went to church today. But since I didn't, I promised Carson that we're going to be flying paper planes. Mari, what are you doing? And since we are going to be flying paper planes, it's going to be an amazing day outside. You know, it's a little cold. Not really. It's just a little chilly. The wind blowing a little shimmy. What did TT do? Okay, look. Go ahead. That's all you want. You want your lip. My lip gloss is popping. My lip gloss is cool. All the boys be jogging. They take care after school. You will. There you drop the top. But Carson's asleep right now because he went to sleep watching a family little movie we had going on. So when he wakes up, that's when we're gonna go and outside and fly the paper plane. But I'm gonna go ahead and prep it or whatever. So now that I figure out how to finish this, we're gonna fold it one more time. Yeah, this is really thick, so it can't even fold not one more time, but you know. I gotta do what I gotta do to fly this thing. Alright. And we just gonna do the other side, like so. I won't even lay flat.
What? Yeah, thank you. I need to get rid of this.
Get rid of what? I did it.
Here, all paper. I don't want this. I tried to get some beef moldy, but they gave me this. I don't like it.
You gotta adjust it to how you do it. So now that we got our whole little cute green paper airplane, we gonna wake up Carson. We gonna try to wait on him, but you know if that don't work out. Then we gonna make us some whole burgers, and then we gonna fly. So stay tuned. Okay, so now that I officially got Carson up and we got our airplane ready to go, Carson, don't mind his clothes on. He just woke up, baby, just ready to bring anything. So, you ready? You ready? Come on, let's do this thing.
Oh, show it the thing. Okay.
See if this sucker gonna fly.
One. Don't be talking.
I'm gonna get dirty. Not now. Not today. I took a shower and everything. I feel good about myself. Okay. The grass is all wet. Okay.
So let's do this.
Okay, Tierra.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Watch this.
We
try.
epic fail. Wanna get it? Wanna get it? Fix the nose.
Okay, let's try this again. Mom.
Let me try.
Yeah.
Did you get it?
Yeah, I did that.
It's not flying very far.
Mine was better than yours.
No, it was not.
Yes, it was.
No, it wasn't. Yay! Oh, it's getting wet. I can't do it.
I can do it. Watch this.
She don't want to play Carson.
I still can do it good. It's so fascinating.
This is not going as planned. It's raining. It's raining, Carson. It's raining. Oh no.
Let's go, Kamara. Come on, Bookie.
You ready? It's raining. We gotta go to safety. Get your shoes.
Still won't fall.
Titi, come get his shoes. Carson has forgot all about the airplane and want to play. You ready? Yay! Whee! Give me some.
I got you.
Okay. You got your shoes? Marsh, you want to race? Carson, you want to race? Okay. On your mark, wait. On your mark, get set. Go, go, Carson, go, go, go. Mama's gonna beat you. Carson, you beating me. So, as you guys saw, that was an epic fail. That was a whole epic fail. And we just came back in the house because it's starting to rain outside and my feet nasty and I don't like that sand feeling. So, as always, thank you for watching my channel. Can you press pause? Thank you for watching the channel, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We will be back doing more videos, and if you want to see this video again, just hit thumbs up, comment below, and we are going to do another video. Maybe we have like a race where who airplane can fly the fastest or the farthest. Until next time. I can't do a simple video because they ratchet.
We're not ratchets.
They hoodlums.
Hey.
We're not hoodlums. They hoodlums. They don't know how to be professional. They're like they can be professional. Till next time.